Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 20, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong June 20, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas na para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Thursday, June 20, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 20, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 63 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 70 million pesos for Thursday, June 20, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 20, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.